Hi guys, Chris here with Super Savvy Travelers, and guess who we're with today? We're with Justin and Michale from Prego, Italia.
Hello!
Yay! And Antonello. And these guys just bought a villa. Go watch their video because it's so exciting. And we're here with Antonello going through, looking at some renovations and doing some special things. And it's really, really fun and exciting. It's a gorgeous day here in Calabria. And we have a lot of exciting projects coming up. So go over and subscribe to Prego Italia.
Please.
Yes, do, because you're going to just enjoy it so much.
He's right here. He's a star on your channel. Everybody knows.
Okay, ciao you guys.
Great. And the beauty of Calabria cannot compete with Chris's beauty.
Oh,
boy,
please.
you guys should see her in person. You're stunning. You need to be celebrated.
Thank you so much, you guys. Love you.
Ciao. Take care.
Okay, ciao.